So today I'm here to share with you guys the Stell tap shoes for girls, toddler boys. Guys, these are the tap shoes you guys are seeing right here. This also comes in another color as well. One of the selling points for me for this particular shoe was number one, I wanted them to be easy to take on and off, but not something that can come off the foot very easily, if that makes sense, because obviously they're going to be tap dancing or dancing, okay? And you don't want them to slip off, so obviously you want to make sure that these run true to size. In my experience so far, they do, okay? That's number one. Number two, I also love the fact that they're easy to take off for your child, okay? And with that, it's that Velcro strap that you guys see right here at the top. That Velcro is what really makes it that much easier for you or your son or daughter to take them on and off, okay? So as you guys can see, we've got a nice Velcro strap right across the top. You don't have to worry about the old school tap shoes that have the ties and that type of thing. It's just a lot less complicated, so much easier to switch on and off. My daughter is in a ballet and tap dance class, and so she's gonna have to switch shoes in the middle of her class, and so you want it to be something that she can easily transition to, especially when they do recitals and those types of things as well. So that's the other thing that's great. So we've got our Velcro strap that you can adjust a little tighter if you need. Of course, it comes right out of the metal piece you see here, and again, it's just super easy to fasten and open as well, okay? It's a beautiful tap shoe, by the way, okay? Very, very, very well done, as you guys can see here. A nice patent leather platform here. We've got our metal on the bottom of the tap shoe, so of course you're going to get that nice clicking sound that you get and that you want to have with your tap shoe. I also love the fact that there is this nice rubbering here that has just some perforations, which makes these a lot more non-slip, which is so nice. So you're not going to have your child sliding across the floor because there's this nice traction here, okay? The other side of it is, as far as it being true to size, so far in my experience, they are. And so that has been great as well. But these are just a really, really, really well-made shoe, okay? They've got the nice platform heel, as you guys can see here. My daughter is very comfortable in them. She actually tried them out, and so I made sure that she was fully comfortable in these as well. We've got a nice soft coating on the inside of the shoe as well, so that you've got that nice cushioning so that it's not too hard on the feet as well, okay? And I mean, it's just a very, very, very well-made shoe, as you guys can see, okay? So I just wanted to make sure to show these to you guys because I am very, very, very happy about this find and this purchase, and I hope this video helps in making your decision.